Hey friends, what is good? I'm trying to keep on my streak and recording another video. Today I'm going to talk briefly about the noise that's happening on social media. Well, when I say that, I mean on LinkedIn, first and foremost. That's where I'm mostly active on the side of YouTube. And I'm going to talk just a little bit about the noise around the changes for the ISO 9650. Before I do that, please allow me to wish you an amazing summer. In Romania, this is celebrated as the start of the spring. Did I say summer? If so, I'm sorry for that. Happy, amazing spring, I wish you. It's something that is called in Romanian mărțișor, and people give to each other, depending where you are in the country, something. In this case, I got a bracelet. This is, I see that is quite a newer tradition, but it's something like called mărțișor in Romania. It's like white and red with some flowers or something that symbolizes the spring, or the start of the spring, or the wait for the start of the spring. Really cool. Been very far away from this for the past 12-13 years. So it's nice to to see people celebrating the spring. Without out of the way, let's see what I'm talking about, okay? Let's have a look at this. So, Nicola, one of my friends, and Casey, and I also posted something about this, and mainly I kind of what you have to know about this is that there are some new changes, important ones actually. I'm not sure if it's so dramatic, but kind of, yeah. It's trying to move the concept. Like, it's been so long since everyone is keep talking, like when talking about BIM they refer to geometry, so they kind of try to remove the BIM word and they try to switch it towards information management. That's kind of the main idea, like to move from models to information management, less model coordination, more control of information across the whole life of an asset. There is also something else which is kind of important. Some other terms are going to change, or they are proposed to change. Delivery team, information production team, BEP. I think this is a weird one, to be honest, information production plan. But yeah, like, I'm not sure. And exchange information requirements is going to become information production requirements. Yeah, kind of makes sense. I'm not sure, but many people seem bothered by this. I see a lot of rage out there, and many people are bothered by this. They don't like these things. I'm not sure. I'm not going to say I love them or I hate them. Like, I don't care. For me, the most important aspect here, there are two important aspects here. One is that it's extremely important that we finally start talking about data, because way too many people misunderstand BIM, that it's just about a 3D model. And no, I'm not kidding, that's the real truth. Most people are considering BIM just nice visualization or a nice 3D geometry. And many people that are using BIM still default to that. And you want proof for that? Check the IFC models that usually are delivered. They are mostly used for coordination, no proper information for facility management, asset management, and stuff like that, which is extremely important. So what are we talking about here? And the other thing is that people are seems like too started on this direction, but actually I think there is a chance. This is your chance to change that, and Casey details that here. Let's see, because let's increase this. So people think that there is like a conspiracy. That's how people talk about this, which is crazy, because these standards are updated according to based on the feedback from people, right? So if you want your feedback to matter, then you have to give your feedback, and there is possible to do that. I'm not really sure exactly how it works in your country, but you have to just research and see, because these ISO standards are updated based on the feedback from the community. So yeah, you see, Casey actually mentions here. So yeah, thanks Casey for this. I hope you're fine with me sharing this video. Or sharing this on this information on this video. Join your National Mirror Committee. You see, National Mirror Committee for ISO. I'm not sure if all the countries have. I guess if there is not, it should be possible to contact internationally. Submit formal comments. So it's extremely important to understand one thing. Your comments on LinkedIn won't matter. They are just noise, okay? If you want your voice to matter, you have to submit a formal comment, okay? If you don't like how BEP is going to be called IPP or whatever, then you have to comment on that and argument for it, right? So purpose, alternative wording, challenge ambiguity, like if there is any ambiguity, of course, challenge it, defend what works, improve what does not. So we can actually do something, or you can actually do something about this if you feel that something is not appropriate. For me, the only thing that matters is that finally data gets valued, and that's the only thing that matters. I don't care about naming conventions, they can change. We change them and so many times, so I don't give too much energy. I don't waste too much energy on that. Most important is actually the fact that we try to give to the information the value that it's supposed to have. So I'm not sure how are you, where you stand on that. Let's see if we go back to Nicolas Jovic, my friend here has posted, and his post actually went quite viral. Look here, almost 2,000 reactions. This is crazy. I never had a post like this going so viral. So yeah, it was amazing, but very cool that the way he wrote here, and also that yeah, ISO 9650 will stop being about BIM. Let's see how this is going to be. But yeah, like if you want to do something, just search, Google, ask ChatGPT, ask Gemini, ask Claude. Like you can get some contact. You can ask people online, ask Casey, ask Nicola, ask anyone if you are unsure about how you can contribute and how you can voice your thoughts on this. And yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. Like, do you like this or you're against this? Delivery team, information production, yeah. It feels a bit weird, but when you think about it, like it's information production plan, kind of makes sense. And information production requirements. Because yeah, like you have to detail how you're going to produce the information. And yeah. But he's right, like we got used to this, right? It has grown into us, BEP. We got used to these things, so yeah. I'd love to hear your thoughts, my friend, and I'd also love to hear if you have any ideas about something you would like me to cover in the near videos. So until then, see you around. Have a good one. Bye.